We gave Dodge Ram the most powerful overall line of truck engines on the planet. The driver's side airbag, the option of four-wheel anti-lock brakes, a cab designed to set the standard for comfort and room. Then, after we made Ram that good, we made it this bad. Introducing the new Ram Sport at America's truck stop, the new Dodge.
There is a new dimension for those who love to drive. It is long and sleek, smooth yet precise, designed for comfort, built for the road, shaped by the wind, proven on the track. Introducing Lumina, the adult sport coupe. When it comes to new dimensions in performance, nobody's winning like
The heartbeat of America, that's today's Chevrolet.
Some people think only foreign companies build quality cars. Now, according to an independent survey, an American car company offers you a choice of some of the most trouble-free cars you can own. That American car company is Buick. And the 1990 versions of those American cars are Buick LeSabre, Buick Riviera, and Buick Electra Park Avenue. We believe there's a new symbol for quality on the great American road.
Motor Trend's Import Car of the Year is a car with extraordinary performance, inspired styling, a car designed to satisfy the most demanding driving enthusiast. In other words, Motor Trend's Import Car of the Year is just another Nissan.
At Nissan, we realize that truck owners are the kind of people who like to go to extremes. That's why even our standard hardbody 4x2 has the biggest cargo volume and the most powerful standard engine of any leading truck in its class. After all, you don't have to go off-road to need a tough truck. Right now, pay just $69.49 for a standard hardbody 4x2. Tough truck, great price.
Dakota Sport V6 has more horsepower, more shoulder room, more hip room, and more cargo room than a comparable Ford Ranger or Chevy S10. But you don't have to put everything you've got into it. Dakota Sport V6, a little bigger, a lot better. At America's truck stop, the new Dodge.
So, you buying a new car?
Yeah.
Looked at a Nissan Stanza?
No.
Why?
I'm getting an Accord.
Stanza has more horsepower.
Yeah?
Want to test drive a Stanza?
No.
Why?
I'm getting an Accord.
Oh, take a test drive. If you buy an Accord, we'll give you $100.
Why?
Well, we think once you drive a Stanza, you won't want an Accord.
Okay, wait. I test drive a Stanza.
Yeah.
I buy an Accord.
Yeah.
I get $100.
Yeah.
What do I get if I buy a Stanza?
A great car at a great price.
Oh.
Take the Nissan Stanza Challenge now.
With a Magnum engine here and spacious interior there, Dodge Ram van is all work. Add a seat here, a TV VCR there, wood trim, custom audio, and what was once all work becomes all play. The Dodge Ram conversion van. Add cashback here, plus packet values there, and you can get up to $3,200 off, making the Dodge Ram conversion van a superior choice, here and there. See the friendly Dodge dealer near you.
If you stripped Ford Taurus of all its awards, erased all the glowing reviews, removed all evidence of its presence on the road, and introduced it today, Ford Taurus would still be ahead of its time.
Now get 6.9 financing for up to 48 months or $750 cash bonus on Ford Taurus.
You want a deal?
The Oldsmobile Cutlass Sierra is one of America's most popular cars, and it's about to get a lot more popular. We've rolled back the price on the Cutlass Sierra S sedan by $500. Plus, factory-to-dealer incentives of $750 to $1,250 may be passed on to you. And qualified first-time buyers can get $600 cash back. That can mean up to $2,350 on a new Sierra S. See your Olds dealer now for details and deals.
On a new generation Oldsmobile.
This is the award-winning Goodyear AquaTread with its deep groove aqua channel. And this is the new Eagle AquaTread for performance sedans. A wider performance tire with 2 aqua channels to sweep water away. Now you get the wet traction of a Goodyear AquaTread and the performance of a Goodyear Eagle. One good turn deserves another. The new Eagle AquaTread, only from Goodyear. We say the best tires in the world have Goodyear written all over them.
The all-new 1998 Escort ZX2. Grab life by the wheel.
No, sir. I won't go in those woods. Trails are too tight and twisted. And they say some kind of crazy wolf roams in there. All I know is I hear howling noises all hours of the day and night.
Introducing the new Timberwolf 4x4 from Yamaha. When you're in a tight spot that screams for four-wheel drive, just cry wolf.
You hear that? That sound will curl your hair.
With the only V8 offered in its class, Dakota Club Cab has more. More horsepower. More maximum payload. More room inside. 15 cubic feet more than Ford Ranger or Chevy S10. Oh yeah, and it also tows more. Dakota Club Cab, a little bigger, a lot better. At America's Truck Stop, the new Dodge.
If you see driving like no one else, show them your true colors with BF Goodrich T8 Performance Tires. You see every drive as a trip, every track as an invitation, every curve as a thrill. So do we. BF Goodrich T8 Performance Tires.